8 reasons beard oil is totally worth it. Your grooming kit is incomplete without beard oil. Seriously. Any man who wants to maintain a healthy and attractive beard needs to get good quality beard oil. There's just no escaping that. But what makes beard oil so valuable to bearded men? Beard oil helps moisturize and soften both beard hair and the skin underneath. Many good quality beard oils contain useful essential oils and carrier oils with anti-inflammatory, anti-fungal, and antibacterial properties to prevent various problems that can come with growing a beard. If you've heard of beard oil, but are still on the fence about getting some, this post will help you see the immense benefits of using the product, and what you've been missing out on all this while. Also, you will discover one of the biggest myths of beard oil. But before we begin, here is something you need to be aware of. Beard oils generally come in small bottles or containers, making them rather pricey for their size. Why are they so expensive? Now, let's get this going by answering the burning question many gents have about growing a beard. 8 reasons why you should be using beard oil. Now that we've debunked an age-old beard oil myth, let's look at 8 reasons why beard oil is totally worth it. 1. Beard oil will help prevent beard itch. Earlier, I mentioned that beard oil helps bring about necessary conditions for growing healthier and fuller beards. I will explain why that is so. One reason for not allowing your beard to grow fuller and longer is shaving. Regardless of your beard's potential, it won't grow long if you shave it off. Why do most people shave their beards? Well, because of the dreaded beard itch. Enduring beard itch is a tough job that most men cannot handle. Indeed, there's absolutely no need to endure it. Beard itch can weaken your resolve to grow a full beard because it is really uncomfortable. It can make you want to just claw at your face. Dryness and new hair growth can cause itchiness and make you grab the next available razor. Fortunately, beard oils are made with essential oils with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties for preventing or reducing itchiness and irritation. Another reason for itchiness is grime and dirt. An accumulation of dirt particles and dead skin cells can make your beard itchy, even if it has long gone past the early stages of growth. With regular application of beard oil, the itchiness will be reduced or even eliminated, and you will have less of a reason to shave off your beard. If there's one beard oil product I recommend for men with severe itchiness or those with dry and coarse beard hair, it is the Honest Amish Premium Beard Oil. It contains 10 premium ingredients, all targeted at leaving you with an itch-free, softer, and healthier beard. New beard hairs are less likely to cause itchiness or irritations due to the superior essential oils in this product. It also has a higher viscosity than most other beard oils, meaning that a little will go a long way. This beard oil works wonders. After all, Honest Amish is not called the most trusted brand in the world for nothing. 2. Beard oil helps prevent acne. Bear oil can eradicate acne. Read that again. Sounds a little contradictory, right? First of all, acne tends to be the result of oily skin, so how does applying oil to already oily skin help prevent pimple breakouts? Well, here's a simple explanation. Environmental pollutants, dead skin cells, dirt, and grime can all clog your hair follicles. If this happens, your pores will become blocked, and you will experience inflammation and acne. Good quality beard oil not only moisturizes the skin underneath your beard, but it also cleans and opens up your pores. The result? No acne? Quality beard oils can do this because they contain ingredients that help prevent acne. For example, jojoba oil extracted from seeds of jojoba plants acts like sebum, our body's natural oil, helping your skin promote healthier hair growth. Also, beard oils with a rich content of sandalwood and tea tree can help to prevent acne flare-ups. One such oil is the Art Naturals Beard Oil. If you have sensitive skin or skin that is prone to acne, this could be the most helpful item to include in your grooming arsenal. Art Naturals Beard Oil is not just oil, it is also a healing formula. It works extremely well for eliminating acne, fighting flakiness, inflammation, and itches. Its carefully selected organic and natural antioxidants make it suitable for all skin types. In addition, since it is unscented, it will not clash with your aftershave or cologne. One other good feature about the oil is that it comes in an amber glass bottle. So, what does the amber glass bottle do? The color of the bottle protects the oil from ultraviolet rays that can cause oxidation and make it less potent. That's a pro tip right there. Whenever you're buying a beard care product, try as often as possible to choose those in dark colored containers. 3. Beard oil prevents beardruff. Okay, this right here is one benefit that every man with any beard length will love. Beardruff, dandruff on beards, can be embarrassing. You don't want white, flaky stuff all over your shirt, especially when you're on a date. Beardruff is an offshoot of beard itch. When you have dry skin underneath your beard, due to lack of natural oils, your skin will flake and starts to fall out on the outer beard and your immaculate clothing. Here is the frustrating thing about scratching a beard itch for relief: doing so causes beardruff to fall off. That's like a catch-22, a no-win situation. Your best bet? Beard oil. Beard oil is the perfect treatment for beardruff. Whether your beard is in the early stages of growth or is already fully grown, beard oil can reduce itching, flakiness, and beardruff significantly. If you live in a cold or wintry climate where your skin can become dry quickly, you will be more likely to develop beardruff. Don't ignore this, include a bottle of beard oil in your grooming kit. Which beard oil do I recommend for fighting beardruff? The Viking Revolution Beard Oil, which is a set of 3 beard conditioners. There's a lot to say about this product, but let's just put it simply: it is highly effective for getting rid of beardruff. 4. Beard oil resolves patchy beards. Beard patches are annoying. Don't you wish your beard would just fill in already? Well, some things are just the way they are, and there's little you can do about them. A beard patch is one of those things. However, you can improve your beard's chances of filling in. How? Make your skin healthy enough for your beard to realize its full potential. But how would you do that? Use therapeutic beard oil like Growther Beard Oil. Its therapeutic ingredients will help your skin flourish, potentially resolving any issues with dormant hair follicles. Keep in mind that Growther, or any other beard oil, cannot create new hair follicles. The product will only help stimulate growth in existing follicles by providing vitality to them. 5. Beard oil makes it easier to style your beard. Technically, a beard balm or wax is the ideal beard product if you're looking for something with long-lasting hold. However, you don't really want to use beard balm or any other products on unhealthy beard hair. That would be like applying makeup on a dirty face. The softer and more luscious your beard hairs are, the easier it will be to style. Since beard oil serves as a leave-in conditioner, they can provide moisture for your beard hair and keep your skin oiled all throughout the day. But most importantly, beard oil contains natural ingredients that stimulate beard growth. They don't contain harsh and toxic chemicals that could be found in some beard styling products, such as gels and sprays. Here's another pro tip: as often as possible, avoid beard care products that contain hard-to-pronounce ingredients. They are usually not healthy for your beard and skin underneath. 6. Beard oil improves the appearance of your beard. Lining your beard with a nice-looking trim is not all there is to a great appearance. First, you need to ensure that your beard is in a healthy state before spending countless hours in the barber's shop. The following are a couple ways that beard oil will help with your beard's appearance. First, beard oils are designed to make your beard soft, so there would be little to no breakage when you comb or brush your beard. Second, if you wanted to rid your beard of knots and tangles, beard oil will help you achieve that faster than any other beard care product. Of course, a softer beard will be easier to straighten out. Third, beard oils add shine or polish to your beard, thereby improving its appearance. Good quality beard oil won't leave your beard dripping in oil or make it extra shiny. Rather, it will remove any dullness and give your beard an appearance that will turn heads. And lastly, beard oils contain essentially the same properties as your natural skin oil. This means that they will help your facial hair follicles grow better and healthier hair. But what's the difference between healthy and unhealthy beard hair anyway? What does sickly beard hair look like? For starters, dry and coarse beard hair, that which feels like copper wire when you touch it, is unhealthy. Split ends, breakage, and stray or orphan beards and mustaches are all signs that your beard needs more than just washing, brushing, and combing, dependent on the case. Massaging beard hair into your beard and the skin beneath will not only improve the appearance of your beard, but it can also stimulate healthy beard growth. 7. Beard oil makes your beard smell good. There's nothing worse than a beard that stinks. Beardruff and itchiness don't even come close. Bad smells are usually associated with full and long beards. Likewise, if your beard stinks, you're not alone. Many people who don't wash their beards as often as necessary may experience stinky beards. Here's the thing, many people with long beards assume that trimming their mustaches so they don't get into their mouths, keeping food particles out of their beards, and bathing regularly will all help keep their full beard smelling great. Well, those things can help, but they won't be enough. You don't get a stinky beard just from dirt. Sweat is another major cause of smell. Rinsing alone also won't cut the deal when it comes to cleaning a full beard. It is important to use beard-specific shampoos at least once a week to wash a long beard properly. After washing, make sure to apply nice-smelling beard oil. That means you will need to keep off the unscented options. As you know, smells are highly subjective. A smell I consider awesome may turn you off completely. So, select beard oils that appeal to your senses, and perhaps that of your better half too. 8. Beard oil makes you look attractive. Bad grooming can make an otherwise attractive male look repulsive. Although beards can make you look great, if you don't take good care of them, it can give off a wrong impression of you, as if it took all of your physical and mental power to drag yourself out of bed. Letting your beard grow naturally will not cut it. The best it can do is leave you with an unkempt and sloppy beard. Using beard oil will ensure that your beard looks good and like a well-oiled machine. That's quite attractive, if you ask me. However, not all men want to attract new partners, though that's not a great reason to have an unkempt beard. Looking attractive is not necessarily for attracting others. It opens doors of opportunity for you too. Would you prefer to go for a job interview with a face that looks scruffy or well-groomed? Obviously, you will want to look your best, but that has nothing to do with attracting someone. It is just common sense. Come to think of it, the reason for growing a beard, or even shaving it for that matter, is to look good. Here's something I suggest you try. If you've never used beard oil before, find a good one and use it daily for about 4 to 6 weeks. You will be pleasantly surprised at how soft and healthy your beard gets. But beyond that, your self-confidence will also likely go through the roof. There is one drawback, however, you may have to buy a few bottles of beard oil to last you that long. In some cases though, perhaps not. Remember how I said in the beginning that beard oil typically comes in small containers? Well, not all of them do. The guys at Reamir & Co seem to have listened to all the griping about the small size of beard oil containers and developed the Reamir beard oil. The product is twice the size of most beard oils without lowering its quality. And, as if that weren't good enough, the right price is just right. Beyond size and price, Reamir beard oil also gives your beard vitamins A and E to keep yours youthful as it grows thicker and fuller. Conclusion. Is beard oil absolutely necessary to grow a beard? No, not necessarily. You can grow a beard without beard oil, or any other beard care product, for that matter. However, unless you are incredibly lucky, you will experience uncomfortable and unbearable itches, irritations, and other annoyances that are easily avoidable. Beard oil makes it a lot more fun to grow your beard to whatever length you want with fewer chances of experiencing the unpleasantness associated with growing that beard. It doesn't matter whether you prefer a stubble or massive Viking beard, using beard oil can help you along your bearded journey. Your beard says a lot about your personality, so give it the best it deserves. If you found the video helpful, show appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Likewise, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks and visit beardguidance.com. Thanks for watching.